Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to find out if you're pre-qualified for an Upstart loan in 2025. So pre-qualification lets you check your loan eligibility without impacting your credit score. So I'm going to show you how to get that done. Let's get into it. Now, the first is to visit Upstart pre-qualification page. That's the first step. So go to Upstart's website. That's www.upstart.com, and click on check your rate. And now you want to enter your personal information. So go ahead and provide details like income, education, employment, and loan purpose. Now, once you have all that entered, you're going to receive your estimated loan offer. Upstart is going to show you loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms that you might qualify for. And understand that pre-qualification isn't approval. So pre-qualification gives an estimate, but final approval requires a hard credit check and documents verification. So proceed only if the offer works for you. So if you find an offer that you're satisfied with, the amount, the loan terms, the interest rate, if you're satisfied with that, then you can move forward with the full application. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.